In this video, we're going to show you to install rear sway bar end links on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located behind your rear wheels. Using an 18mm deep socket, we're going to loosen and remove these two nuts. In our particular case, the ball joint on the sway bar end link side is spinning. So we need to secure that, so we go ahead and remove the nut. I'm going to grab our link here and we're going to push the top in and pull the bottom out. If you pull both out evenly, you're going to hit the axle. So go ahead and grab the unit and wiggle this out to the side. Just going to clean out right here where our nut is going to go for our end link. Now when installing this here, you won't be able to install it with the threaded rods going straight. So you're going to bend the top one way, and then the bottom pretty much the opposite way. And we have our end link ready to go in. You can swing that around and get that inserted. Now at this point here, you want to go ahead and put your jack underneath the control arm. And we're going to go ahead and raise this up. And you get to a point where basically what you want to do is try and get clearance between the CV axle and the link, and just kind of push that in. Once you get that installed, slowly lower the jack and wiggle that into place. There we go. Let's go ahead and install the nuts on both of these. Go ahead and get those nuts started. We're going to use an 18mm socket on this. Good, and torque down the nuts to 66 foot-pounds. You got to remove your jack. We'll go ahead and repeat this process for the other side. Once you've completed that, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.